Hey, this is Dave with Creation Crate here. The barometric pressure sensor. This little guy right here looks like this. And barometric pressure, or also called atmospheric pressure, is the pressure that's exerted by the weight of the atmosphere on top of us. So the standard is at sea level. So when things are at sea level, standard barometric pressure is it's measured in pascals, so it's about 101,325 pascals, which is about 14.69 pounds of pressure per square inch. Okay, so that's a lot. We don't realize it because every day we're walking around and this atmosphere is on top of us and we kind of get used to it, so we don't feel it. But if we spent some time up on the moon and we had no atmospheric pressure and we came back down to Earth, it would maybe feel like a crushing weight on us that we have to get used to. Barometric pressure changes with altitude, so you can also use this as an altimeter. So the higher you get up in the mountains, the less barometric pressure there would be, and it can give you an idea of how high above sea level you are. Okay, next is this DHT11 humidity and temperature sensor. So this guy has in here a capacitive humidity sensor, so it's measuring the amount of moisture in the air around us, and it also has a thermistor to measure the temperature. This is going to send a digital signal back to your Arduino, so there are no analog pins needed for this one, and you'll use this in the weather station project. I hope you've learned something new. You can find more component videos and tutorials at creationcrate.com/classroom.